Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So we have to start with opening the settings, so let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Then we have to scroll down in order to find either accounts or Google. It's basically up to you which option you prefer. I want to use the accounts, and as you can see right here we've got our previously added Google account. But no worries, even though we've got one or two Google accounts added, we can add another. So let's start with adding the account just by tapping on this option and tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and as you can see we have to verify that we want to add the account. Alright, here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. As you can see, it is right here. So right now we can and have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we've got our Google account added to this device. Whenever you will add it for the very first time, so let's pretend we did not have this one, you will also have to accept the shortcut of the backup, but that's okay, just tap on accept. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the account. Simply tap on it and then tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. And of course, you will have to sometimes verify it, but that's okay. Simply enter your lock screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.